Welcome to LaFette Custom Uncensored. We have a 2004 2500 HD Duramax. This is the shop truck. We call it the Beast. We're going to replace a right rear door handle. You see it does not work right. Pull it, it does not work. You have to put your hand right there. So that's what we're going to do, replace it. We have an aftermarket door handle. That's all there is to it. We'll start off by taking the door panel off. Start off right here. Here it just snaps off. It's got a little pin, little snap. Pull it off like that. Right here. One more. Alright. It has a bolt down here that ours is broke. I'm not sure if it slides up or pops out, so we haven't put through. This is our first time doing it, so you'll learn with us. Some of them slide up, some of them. Perfect. So we'll have a plug right here for the window that we'll have to undo. Right here. Should have brought my little flathead. That'll work. Unplug that. The door panel comes out. Okay. And the door handle. Right there, you can see why. Right there, that thing does not even have a nut on it. It'll be a 10mm. It's got three nuts on it. Right here. Over here. And it wasn't even tight. I'm gonna take it out with my hand. And then it has a little rod that connects to it right here. Just pull that little thing up and slide that rod out. There's the rod right there. The door handle should come right out. And there's the old door handle. It was missing. This was loose. That one did not have a nut on it, and this one was tight. So that's probably why it didn't work real good. One reason. It's not. We're gonna change it out anyway. Holes right here, both in like that. Put the top two in, the bottom will slide in like that. I'm gonna start off by putting this one over here on. It was finger tight. them up. Finger tight, and then I'll put this rod back in. I can do it that way. Slide it in like that, and then slide this down over the top of it. Snap it over it like that. Door handle should work now. Yep, okay, door handle works. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten them up. I need to go find a nut to fit this one right here. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I found a nut, and I also got a 10mm ratchet wrench. Tighten up this one that's on the front over here. It's kind of hard to get to. Put this on. And that bottom one. Right there. So now we have all three of the. Put this on tight and we'll snug these up. And then we gotta over tighten it, just snug it up. Yeah, that's all it needs. This one over here. Tell you what, I'm gonna have to get on the other side real quick. Okay. I snug that one up. Then we'll use the ratchet wrench. Make sure it's on going the right way. Get down where you can see it a little bit. Snug it up like the other one. Okay. Back up. And you can see it's real dusty in there. That's what that's for. The dust is on the wrong side. Check the door real quick. Yep. All right. Good deal. So now this is that screw I was talking about. It was busted. It was broke on it. It wasn't through. We'll have to take that out and put that in when we put the door panel back on. That is a 7mm on that one. And what we was using on the door handle was a 10mm. Alright, so door panel. Going back in, we'll have to put this lock back because the lock goes in this. Has a little little thing in there for the lock. Be sure it goes in right there. Plug this plug up first. Okay. Move this back to the unlock position. It's in there. Alright, slides down. Now we'll put the screw that was not in, we'll put it back in right here to hold the bottom of the door panel. Right there in the way. That's probably why it wasn't in there right to begin with. It doesn't want to do right. There we go. Fairly long screw for that there, but what's that put there? Snug it up. And put this piece back on, slide it on like this. Put the front down in there. Like that. It snaps in just like that. And that's how you put a door handle in on 2004 Chevrolet 2500. Like, subscribe, share. Definitely want your comments. Thank you. Have a good day.